Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and today we have an exciting one for you. We have a module sofa called Jattebo. It's made by Ola Wihlborg. He's the designer at IKEA, and this is so cool because it's modular. You could build it for your own space, and the coolest part about it is each seat has a storage, which we've seen that before. Other manufacturers do that, but it's the whole pretty much seat has a storage. And check this out, another cool thing, you have fabric. The whole sofa, the fabric comes off, so we're actually washing some of them now before we unbox them. That's why I opened a couple of boxes here. So we decided to go with this green, they call it yellowish green, but it looks like an olive green. Really nice. They had another color that's beige and a gray with a different texture. So we chose this one, but hey, if you decide to change it in the future, you can always just remove it and get a different color. So that is amazing. So we're gonna set this up. I'm probably gonna put the camera there so you could kind of speed through the setup process and show you how it looks like. One thing I do want to mention about IKEA, I know some of their furniture made out of compressed wood. I like this because a lot of components were made out of plywood and solid wood, and it had memory foam as well. So I feel like this is a better build quality. Even this shelf we have here is also made from IKEA as well, but this is all hardwood. So you can find really nice stuff in IKEA. I think the designers do a great job with designing, but you just gotta pick and choose. But more on that later, because I have a few manufacturers I want to talk to you guys about that manufacture furniture as well, that I'll leave some information below about that. And I'm wearing this shirt obviously, and we'll talk about what this shirt later on at the end. All right, guys, as we wait for the fabric to dry, I just want to show you, I've installed these, right? And pretty much all it is a screw like this that goes in here. And this right there goes in here, so it attaches the pieces. That's for the, the cushion on the side of the couch. Now, you also have, when you're connecting these modules, you have this to connect it, and I'm just showing you here. I'm not going to connect it now because we need to put the fabric first. Then after you put the fabric, you're able to connect it. So you put one here, one over there. Yeah. And then the other thing that I'm not going to do right now, but I just want to show you guys, on the bottom of the couch, you put this as well. You pretty much connect this. This screw right here goes here, and that connects those two pieces together here. And that's pretty much it. Everything is done. Now we're just waiting for the fabric. We'll show you that. One thing I will say is, while we're at it, the storage down here is not as deep. We had a sectional before that had a deeper storage. That is one thing to keep in mind. But like I said, every module has a storage, so it's good that, everyone has. And like I said, the top is memory foam here. So you could probably see a little bit of the layer, but online they actually show you the different layers, and there's memory foam on top, which you could essentially also sleep on it. So you don't need anything to pull out, but it's pretty, the couch is deep enough where you could sleep on. So like I said, as soon as the fabric dries, I'll be able to show you how we put those on, and that's it. And we're pretty much done. All right, guys, the setup is all complete, as you see. So one thing we realized, it's a very comfortable couch. As you see, I'm sitting here. Look at my knees are at a 90-degree angle, which is perfect. That's easy to get up, right? It's very comfortable, and I would, check this out. I'm 6 foot tall, and I could sleep here like a baby. Very comfortable. So, what I would say is, they do sell, you see, I'm 6 foot. I need something for my head or back support. I have the back support, but nothing for my head. They do sell this other product where you could put it here. So if I'm sitting here, I could have it. The only thing is, having it here, it might fall down. Where if you have it on the wall, it won't. So that's pretty much it. I love it. I think if it's very perfect in this space that we have here, and then if we move to another space, it's a modular sofa, so we could always get more pieces. So now that you stuck around to this video, I want to show you what I talked about in the beginning of the video. We have here, this is the 2025 catalog for Coaster Fine Furniture. So one of the manufacturers here. There's another, so this is new that I'm gonna start selling. And then we have the Bellona here. This is actually accompanied by the Turkish government. Really nice stuff. A lot of their stuff is space saving and storage and things like that. This is Coaster again, but this is the living, office, and accent here. So, and then here is an exclusive concept from Bellona. So you can see they could do high-end luxury as well. And then we still have Homelegance, as you know. I'll put the links down below so you could check out the furniture and I could help you with that. And then regarding the shirt, it's something we're sponsoring here to help kids in Pakistan with the brick link, and that's why I'm wearing this shirt. There'll be a documentary about this down the line, and I'll put some information down regarding this as well. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments or concerns, put it down below. I'll try to answer every single comment if I can. And yeah, let me know what else you want to watch. Thank you. Take care.